Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of academia and research. In this video, we'll talk about how to write a literature review with 5 examples. A literature review is not just a summary of existing literature. It involves a critical evaluation of existing research and how it is related to your research question. Let's get started with the first step in writing a literature review. This is the first step in writing a literature review. You need to identify the research question or problem that you want to explore in your literature review. This will help you focus on relevant literature and avoid unnecessary research. Once you have identified your research question, you need to search for relevant literature. This includes academic journals, books, and other sources related to your research topic. After you have identified relevant literature, you need to analyze and evaluate it. This involves critically reading and summarizing the literature, identifying key themes and gaps, and evaluating the quality and relevance of the research. After analyzing and evaluating the literature, you need to organize and structure your literature review. This includes creating an outline, grouping literature by themes or concepts, and synthesizing the literature to form a cohesive argument. Finally, you need to write your literature review. This includes an introduction that explains the purpose and scope of your review, a main body that summarizes and synthesizes the literature, and a conclusion that highlights key themes and identifies gaps in the research. Here are 5 examples of literature review topics. 1. The effects of social media on mental health. 2. The impact of technology on learning and education. 3. The benefits and drawbacks of remote work. 4. The relationship between exercise and mental health. 5th. The effectiveness of mindfulness-based therapy for anxiety and depression. In conclusion, writing a literature review involves identifying relevant literature, analyzing and evaluating it, organizing and structuring it, and finally writing the review. With the help of the 5 examples we discussed, you can now start writing your own literature review with confidence. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.